Let me show you easily the best value for money, high performance thermal camera. And on this bad boy we're also getting absolutely massive sensor resolution. In fact, at this price this is completely unseen, and also we get totally adjustable lens as well on this camera. By the way, Thermal Master sent me over this camera to check it out, and also they have actually given me extra discounts that you can use to get this camera much cheaper. So in the description simply follow the special discount link, and also make sure to enter coupon code UVTechP3 to get extra 10% off of this camera. We also get a decent packaging over here, and also a bunch of accessories, and also a camera in very decent storage pouch here as well. Okay, and inside the case we get our camera. And what I absolutely love about this camera actually is the build quality. Usually, especially at this price, you are usually probably getting like full plastic quality, but on this camera, if you check, the quality is absolutely insane. So we get proper metal build quality over here all the way around. Also the metal adjustment for the lens here. So we can actually use this camera with pretty much any device, so either Android or iOS as well. So yeah, as you see, when it comes to build quality, this feels meg premium actually. Also inside the case we are getting also this adapter that we can use to connect it to older iPhones as well. So I have tried this with iPhone 13 using this adapter, and also works absolutely great. So you see, also obviously it works with the newest iPhones as well that support the Type-C. So I have the iPhone 17 over here and also works absolutely great with that one. But primarily I actually use it with my Samsung Ultra phone over here. Also inside the box we are getting another connector cable. You can also use it to extend as well, and also quite extensive manual here, and also see you can also extend the warranty up to 3 years over here on this camera. And let's check out the app we get on this camera. So to use this Temp Master camera app. So also what's absolutely awesome, once we connect basically our camera to our phone, even if you do not have the app open, it will actually open the camera app itself. So as you see, you simply plug it in, and in a few seconds you basically have it running over here. And also we can go in the settings over here. So if you actually decide to use like this, like at the moment, so we can also rotate the picture over here, and then you see, yeah, okay, so this is what it looks like over here. And also you are going to need to work with the contrast and brightness options here as well. So if we go in the brightness over here, so you see if I adjust this, how this changes here. So obviously we are going to use this, yeah, depending on what kind of task you are using it for, to basically like better showcase details or whatever you need. So also with a contrast slider here as well. So you see if I crank it to the maximum here, yeah, we can obviously start to see much better here. And also if you go over here, you see you can also like toggle between the different modes here. And next let me show you what I was able to find when I used this thermal camera last night on my house over here. So first I found basically I have huge problems with the doors here. Also I need to insulate the foundation of the home, so it's leaking heat like crazy. Also basically underneath there as well, complete mess. Also my garage doors are again need huge work, and also windows as well. So let me show you how it looks like. And first let me show you all the modes we get on this camera, so you can see for yourself what they look like. And obviously we are going to change these modes depending yeah, what are actually doing with your camera. So you see you have pretty much for everything here. For example, maybe select this rainbow. This is actually one of the best basically, I think, for this kind of task. So you see, yeah, absolute mess when it comes to the doors over here. They're leaking heat like crazy, and again I wasn't actually aware of any of this. I was just wondering why, yeah, my house is actually like, yeah, losing heat like crazy here, for example. Also if you check the foundation as well, so yeah, also there, also these garage doors here. So again, I wasn't aware of any of this stuff. So only with this camera, yeah, I can see what's actually happening here. So again, these are like very easy fixes here. But again, so I was like needlessly losing energy here. And also, if you check over here, these also are basically the insulation screws that were used to fasten the insulation on this home. So again, I hadn't actually installed them properly here, and you see they are leaking heat, and I can even like see it basically behind the insulation, how it's messed up. Also, if you check my window, so you see also not very efficient. And if we check the foundation, again, it wasn't actually insulated when the house was built, and it's leaking heat like crazy, and yeah, I'm simply throwing money away, yeah, on heating bills. And yeah, overall, when it comes to performance and also the resolution for the sensor, I'm mega impressed, because let's be real, a few years ago, if you actually wanted to get this kind of resolution for a sensor and all the tech we actually have in this camera, you were looking to spend like way over 1,000 basically. So again, yeah, at this price, which this camera costs, I think it's absolutely insane what we're getting. Oh, also another cool thing about this camera is we can even use it as a night vision camera as well. And now I'm filming this video in complete darkness, so again I can't really see anything here. I can't really even see where I'm walking. I'm simply looking at my screen of my phone and then simply like walking, trusting it. But you see just how insanely well you can see everything here. So that's a tree. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous what this camera can do. So the resolution on this camera, absolutely insane. You can see all the fine details on the car here very easily. Again, I really can't see anything here where I'm walking. I'm simply trusting basically this camera and looking at the screen. Also, let's check out this car here as well. So you see just how well it exposes all the fine details here. Again, it's complete darkness at the moment. And also let's punch in on this logo of the car. So you see in complete darkness, you can even see clearly the logo of the car here. I mean, that's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, the performance of this camera is absolutely insane. And obviously one of the best use for thermal camera is if you are working on electronics. So for example, I have opened a laptop here, which actually had a problem, so I wasn't actually sure what's actually going on, but I can actually easily see basically, yeah, actually inside here and what actually happens. Also, for example, on this car over here, for the past months, I have had a problem basically where my battery drains on its own, and I couldn't really figure out what's actually causing it. Also, I have taken this car now 2 times to service, and even they couldn't figure out. But yesterday, basically, I took this camera at night when it's more colder, so we get more contrast, and literally in maybe like only 2 minutes, I was able to actually find the issue that's actually causing the battery drain and solve that. So yeah, even for basic stuff like this, yeah, this camera is absolutely amazing. And obviously the excellent minimum focusing distance on this camera also allows to get insane precision, as that allows to simply like place our camera like pretty much like almost on the component itself. So I think in the specs it was like a bit less than 1 centimeter, so almost near the component. And yeah, we can get like insane detail here. Obviously when you put the close, you will have to basically rotate your lens wheel here to adjust the focus just as you need. But yeah, when it comes to performance and what this camera can do, I think it's absolutely insane. And just to illustrate, let me show you basically how this absolutely tiny chip over here basically performs. So this one, so you see it's absolutely tiny. I'm going to put maybe like 2 centimeters away from it. So again, this chip is maybe like 2 centimeters away from the camera, and it's essentially turning on and off basically, and also while turning on, obviously it's heating up and emitting heat. So you can see just how instantly, yeah, and how rapid basically the response is from this camera, and how you can basically trace the heat output. And let's play around with the contrast now. As you see, as I'm increasing it, how much more defined it gets, and that obviously helps us to pinpoint any issues. So yeah, when it comes to the responsiveness and also the resolution, I think it's absolutely insane here. And overall, is the new Thermal Master P3 actually worth it, and should you maybe get this thermal camera? Well, yep, I can actually highly suggest this particular model over here, because not only the internal sensor is really top class on this camera, again, this resolution at this price, that's completely unheard really. Also excellent for any like fine work, so again, up close, again, yeah, really one of the best cameras out there. And obviously we are also getting top slime build quality here as well. And yeah, also works great with any Android or iPhone as well. So again, you kind of aren't even paying anything extra for any like screens that usually come basically with larger thermal cameras. So, and also I think it's way more pocketable. So again, the size is absolutely insane. So you can easily keep it in your pocket, and wherever you need it, basically plug in your phone and you are ready to go. Also, obviously, if you compare the thermal cameras, basically these screens and this one, again, the screens on them usually aren't really the best, but obviously if you connect this to like a very decent smartphone, so you also get like insanely better screen as well, obviously on this camera. Again, you aren't actually paying anything extra here for things that aren't kind of necessary if you already obviously have a smartphone, and obviously everyone has one. Anyway, if you are also looking to get this camera for the cheapest price possible, then also make sure to check out the special discount link in the description, and also in the checkout make sure to enter the extra coupon to get extra 10% off. So yeah, for this price I think it's absolutely insane what we're getting here. Good luck.